Is the moment that we've been waiting for. I would like to invite the Honorable Chief Minister and all our distinguished guests on stage to place your palm on the launching pad to initiate the officiation of 1 million production unit milestone commemoration, please. On my count, Dr. Sri Utama, 3, 2, 1, place your palm and release.
The power of dreams.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness this historical moment together by welcoming the all-new Civic, the 1 millionth vehicle of Honda Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause congratulating Honda Malaysia on this remarkable achievement. That marks the official commemoration of 1 million production unit milestone Honda Malaysia. What a beautiful piece, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to invite now the Honorable Chief Minister and all distinguished officials to move 2 steps forward and stand on the small marks in front for a quick group photo. We'd like to invite the Honorable Chief Minister and our distinguished guests to remain, to come to the spot. Okay, another request from the photographers, from the media. Yeah. Okay. Okay, with Ms. Melaka as well. Fantastic. Can we hear another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen?
This is the Honda Melaka team. 100% Malaysia.
I'd like to invite Honorable Chief Minister to stand on the spot, joining by the rest of our distinguished guests. For a group photo, media, please be ready. Okay?
All of them, they all work here. 100%
Okay,
Malaysians.
good. All right.
All of them are Malaysians. They put together 1 million unit of cars
Thank you. Wonderful.
out of this
We
factory.
would like to have Honorable Chief Minister.
Today is an off day for them.
Proceed to step to the front. Please take the front. As a form of beholden and gratitude, I would like to invite now Ms. Melaka to present a special memento of appreciation to the Honorable Chief Minister, please.
Today is the last day of the CEO, Miss Maduka Chujo, who's been here
Okay,
exactly for 1 year. She's going back to Japan.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you.